Hey guys, and welcome back for the love of food. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to show you a couple of knife skills, and doing that we're going to cut up some vegetables. So first what we're going to start off with is how to cut a pepper. You know, a lot of people kind of take advantage of how to cut a pepper. So I'm going to show you how I cut mine. I don't cut it in the middle. I cut it so it's easiest to work with, and that's basically by taking the pepper. Whatever end is flattest, see how it's not going to roll? That's the end that I'm going to use. So see, if I tried to stand it upright, it just kind of rolls all over. So I'm just going to stick it upright, and I'm going to go along the four sides basically. And as you can see from the side here, you want to make sure that you get that membrane. And by doing so, as I cut, I'm cutting right on the edge of where the membrane is on the side and then the seeds. So now it's flat, I can hold it this way and cut it down. There's a little piece left. And you don't ever want to throw the bottoms away. Just simply take your knife, run it along the bottom, and there you go. So, I mean, a lot of people, if you want to use it, you can really kind of cut out around the sides. But for the majority, we have a lot of it off. We have the membrane still left and the seeds, which we're not going to use, so we'll go ahead and discard. From here, you can do a lot of different ways. You can chop it up. You can take one of your sides of peppers and julienne each piece, just basically cutting it into small strips. And you want to make sure everything is as uniform as you can get it, so that way if you're cutting it up for vegetable dip or soup, once you make the slices, you just turn it around, get them together, and then you can cut them as small as you want. So there's my tutorial on how to cut a pepper. Thanks for watching.